Inglês básico.
Some places in a city.
Hi, I'm teacher Henry. Today we're gonna see some place in a city and things you can do there. I'm gonna get my car and show you. I need some gasoline, so I'm gonna go to a gas station. In a gas station, you can get gasoline. I'm gonna get some gasoline in the pump.
5 minutes later.
There is an ATM in this gas station. At an ATM, people can get money. I need to get money, but I need more financial services too. I'm gonna go to a bank.
At a bank.
I'm at the ATM of a bank. Here you can get money, make a deposit, or pay a bill.
Pay a bill.
Pagar uma conta.
Now I'm gonna go to a supermarket. In a supermarket, you can buy food, drinks, and other products. Now I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. In a coffee shop, you can buy food and drinks too, but you don't need to cook or make the drinks. They make them for you. I love this coffee shop. They have delicious tea, coffee, and great snacks. Oh, there's a lot of food in my stomach now. I have a stomach ache. I need to go to a drugstore.
Pharmacy. Or drugstore.
This place is called a pharmacy or a drugstore. At a drugstore, you can buy medications for a stomach ache, a headache, backache, and other products for your health problems.
Some minutes later.
I feel better now. The medication was efficient. I don't need to go to a hospital. Now, I need to go to the post office.
Post office. Post office.
Correios.
I wasn't home last week, so the mail carrier couldn't deliver my packages. Eu não estava em casa semana passada, então o carteiro não conseguiu entregar meus pacotes. I wasn't home last week, so the mail carrier couldn't deliver my packages. At the post office, you can get packages. At the post office, you can get packages or send packages.
Send.
Verbo enviar.
It's my sister's birthday tomorrow, and she loves to read. I'm gonna buy her a book. I need to go to a bookstore.
Bookstore.
I'm gonna buy a book at this bookstore.
Some minutes later.
Okay, I have my sister's book, but I need to buy something for my wife now. She loves clothes, cosmetics, electronics, and furniture. I don't know what to buy, but there is a store that has all these products. A department store. There is a department store near here. I'm at the department store now. I need to buy something for my wife, and I think I will need a long time to decide on the gift. Let's finish the video. See you later!